Hi friends, today in this video I'll going to tell you what will be the price for installing the granite countertop for kitchen and what are the advantages of granite countertop. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. Granite kitchen countertops are the popular for their durability, aesthetics. So here are the some best advantages of granite countertops: its durability and the strength. Granite is one of the hardest natural stone, making it highly resistant to scratches, chips and cracks. It can handle the heat from hot pans, pots without any damage. Granite offers the natural patterns and colors, ensuring every countertop is one of a kind. It enhances the visual appeal of a kitchen, often adding value to your home. Granite countertops can last decades without losing their beauty or functionality, making them a long-term investment. Granite countertops also consider a premium feature, potentially boosting the resale value of your home. So now we're going to discuss what will be the price for installing the granite countertops. So the price for installing the granite countertops in India can vary depending on the several factors, including the quality and the type of granite, the thickness, the area to be covered, labor charge and additional costs such as polishing, edging or transporting. So if you want the good granite, the price starts from 150 square feet and it goes to 250-300 rupees per square feet. Even you will get in a less price like 80 rupees per square feet, but that the quality is not as good. So you always select minimum 150 rupees per square feet. And for installation the labor will charge almost 300 rupees per square feet. And cutting, edging and polishing, it will also increase the price. So it almost will cost per 500 rupees per square feet for the labor cost. First we will know the material cost. So if the granite size is 10 feet long and the price is 150 rupees per square feet, so it almost will cost you 7,500 rupees. And for installing the granite countertops, the labor will charge almost per 500 rupees per square feet. So if for this 10 feet long countertop they will charge almost 5,000 rupees. So 7,500 rupees for the material plus 5,000 rupees labor cost. After that there is additional cost of transportation, so it will almost cost 1,500 rupees. So when you are installing the countertop you require the support for that countertop like kadapa, all these things. So cement, you require cement, reti. So total for installing the countertops of 10 feet long, it will almost cost you around 18,000 rupees. The price can be varied depending on the several factors, including the quality and the type of granite, the thickness, the area to be covered. So it may be less or more. So it depends on the location where you live. So my suggestion is that you contact the local suppliers and installers. They often provide the discounts if both material and labor are sourced from the same vendor. Installing a kitchen countertop is a significant project that requires careful planning and preparations. So always choose the right materials. Materials like granite. Granite is one of the most common grain countertops being used in an Indian kitchen, and it is budget friendly. Match the material with your kitchen style and designs. So choose the material that fits your budget without compromising on the quality. So when you're installing the countertop, Take precise measurements of the area including the length, width and the depth of the countertop. So always prepare the surface. Ensure the base cabinets are level and secure. Reinforce weak cabinets if necessary to support heavy materials like granite. So disconnect the plumbing and appliance before installation. Plan cutout for sinks, cooktop or faucets accurately to avoid misalignments. So often require professional handling and installation because professional can ensure precision especially for complex layouts or seams. So verify the material on delivery. Inspect the countertop for cracks, chips or defects before installation. Ensure the material matches the sample you choose. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see that I can give all your answers, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. Granite countertops available in lots of colors, patterns and finishes. Granite can match the various kitchen styles from modern to rustic. Granite is more environmentally friendly compared to the synthetic options, especially when sourced locally. So while granite countertops are an excellent choice, they do require proper sealing to maintain their stain and moisture resistance. They are also relatively heavy and require professional installation. So friends, keeping some important points in your mind, you can install your countertops. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to install the countertop for your kitchen. If you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.